Hello, welcome, and in this video I'll show you how to quickly factory reset your Asus ExpertBook. So all you need to do is to just press on your Windows icon, and here click on the power icon and hold Shift on your keyboard and click Restart, and keep holding the Shift until the recovery mode opens. Okay, we're in, and now all we need to do is just click on troubleshoot and go to reset this PC and press on remove everything. And now you have to just enter the recovery key for your device. And that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.